Hi, Bill Henshaw here again, one of my new YouTube current events videos. And I just did one discussing the fact that Biden is being advised by who knows, George Stephanopoulos, that if elected, quote unquote, that he would have unilateral power to add justices to the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, even FDR never got as far as that back with his infamous court packing plan of the 1930s. By the way, a good book to read on this subject is called The Supreme Court in Crisis by Merlo J. Pusey, Pusey, written contemporaneously in 1938. That said, I wondered after I thought about it, suppose Biden is a one-term president or what have you, and the new guy gets elected, would he not have the unilateral power to reduce the amount of justices on the court and conveniently remove the latest ones with less seniority, especially if a Republican president who wants to get a conservative majority back? And if not, why not? There's some really interesting questions here, but most of them arise from people that apparently don't have a clue about the original intent of the framers of the Constitution, to say the least. And there have, if you learn your history, as I have done, instances in which the numbers have been increased and even decreased during the time when Andrew Johnson was president in order to prevent him from appointing anybody to the Supreme Court. Interesting matter. The framers kind of slipped up there. They might have set the number of justices, but they did not do it. But how the president could do that unilaterally, acting as commander in chief, is beyond me. If any of you have a clue, please let me know. Send me an email, youwinnincourt@gmail.com. I'll be glad to send you information back on my materials that I have available, my document packets. And I've just recently, what with the ongoing COVID crisis and the holiday season upon us, reduced the cost of those already modestly priced documents by a third. Now you can get the whole set of packets now for $250. You'll get information on that in writing when you request it, and it's much better. And it's about 1/10 of 1% of what you would pay at Starboard, Bayeux, Berkeley, or whatever for a 4-year legal education if they were teaching the Constitution anymore, which they're not. So that in mind, let me know. I'll send you information on everything I have. It just gets greater and greater every day, especially with this stupid ass quote unquote election coming up. But it's just interesting stuff, and it's going to help us in the long run. So that said, remember to subscribe, like my videos, tell your friends, get the word out. The more people we have doing this, especially across a wide parameter with Americans, Asians, Africans, what have you, the quicker we get these bastards off our backs. Thank you.